Hello everyone. Okay, so I have this. It's just arrived. I was really looking forward to it, and now I don't know what to do. Essentially with Inktober there's been a lot of stuff going on. I'm not going to comment on it because what do I know? There's been ideas of plagiarism, which is, if it is true, is a terrible thing to do. I've looked into it personally. I have my own opinions, but they are just opinions. I don't know. How can I know what actually happened? I've looked into it. I may have bought a couple of books and really enjoyed them. So the thing is, this is from Artsnacks. It's Artsnacks Inktober Box. I haven't heard what Artsnacks is doing about this. I ordered this when it came out. That was like, was it a couple of months ago now? I can't even remember. I don't know what Artsnacks is doing about it. I just know that they already had these, and so they've been sent out, and I have it, and it cost, I think it's about $90 and way more for me with postage to England. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you what's inside it. Then I'm going to leave it and see what I want to do with it, and we'll see. But I'm going to open it and have a look because I have bought it. It hasn't been sent to me. I've bought it. It's not Artsnacks who has done anything. We don't know truly what has happened. There's certainly been a lot of things shown. It's difficult to say, but I'm going to open the thing and see what's inside. So we have, I've never had one of these before because I don't get the big Artsnacks box. I just get the little cheaper one. But okay, we've got a poppy bag. So we have that. I was really excited about this, and now I don't know what to do. But let's have a look. Okay. So it's obviously still all Inktober stuff. You've got a class there. They're the hint words, there's everything we've got. Right, I'm stalling, I know I am. Okay, so what do we've got? We've got a Posca, a white Posca pen, Liquitex acrylic ink, okay, 30ml, I assume black, yep. We have a cherry Airheads. I hate anything flavoured cherry, so I'll put that over there. Just put that over there. Okay, we've got some aqua ink. I've actually already got some of these. They're pretty good. They're cute little bottles. We've got red, orange and yellow. We've got another cherry Airheads. Let's stick that over there. And, a Copic. A Copic Gessen Feud. One of them. Nylon brush. And finally in here, we've got the Inktober sticker. We'll put that over there and see. And we have a original gold King Art little teeny tiny paintbrush. In the box we have 15 sheets, white, 250 GCM, acid free, 100% cotton, paper. We have an Inktober. I wonder if they're wondering about whether they should have gone all in on the Inktober. But an Inktober pencil case or pen case, and this does look rather nice, Plumchester sketchbook, Inktober branded as well. Right, so this is what it looks like. I'm assuming that's by Jake Parker. It's very nice. I had one of these, their one before, it just had Inktober on it, but they're nice sketchbooks. So that's I really like. Okay, so this is what we got. There's it looking beautifully arranged. Again, I was really excited, and now I don't know what to think. But that is what we have got. And now what are we all going to do? There's the question. I feel, I mean, I paid for this. It's not Artsnacks. Has anything to do with anything. Nothing has been proved or disproved. I mean, the flick through of Alfonso's book certainly seemed like certain words were very similar, and that's, I must admit, where my feelings are lying. That, you know, yeah, okay, you needed to get a book out and you saw this other really good book and it does seem very similar. But what do any of us know? The question is, what do we do now with October? What do I do with all this? Use it, obviously. I'm going to use it. I'm not sure about this. I may hold off on this just to see what happens with everything. But yes, there we go. That is, I'll just put that there for you, the Artsnacks Inktober collection box. Do with that whatever you will. It's actually tomorrow. Hello, it's me again. Different sleeves. I slept on it and I thought, well, I'll try them. I'll swatch them out and then see. I've moved over. I'm not going to use the notebook. I just feel weird. Nothing has been proven, so you don't want to have a go at an innocent person, but also I find plagiarism awful, and it seems that way. From having watched the videos, a 50-minute video comparing what you can see, there's a flip through in the video where you can see a lot of the pages and a lot of the terminology. I don't know. I'm not gonna, say that we're very much, well, it's cancel culture, isn't it? But we're very much into, right, I've made my decision, that's it, I don't have to think about it anymore. No, we need to think deeper about everything. Keep going down and down and down and looking at things. There is a possibility that we're talking about the spawn of Satan, and absolutely plagiarism happened on purpose while rubbing their hands together maniacally. Or it was a mistake where, you see something and you forget where you saw it, and then you end up using it like you think you thought it up, but no, you didn't. You saw it somewhere. That's happened quite a few times. I've sort of said something to my kids or something, and I said, oh, that's in that. And, oh, is it? Oh, right. And everything in between. I don't want to say anything that hasn't been proven, because nothing has been proven yet. We don't know what's going on. But I also have my opinions, and I am entitled to my opinions. And they are based on me watching that through I'm a teacher as well, and I've seen enough plagiarism where some people don't get that that's what it is. You're supposed to, I'm teaching later on today actually. Well, I'm talking so quickly to try and get this done, because via Zoom, safety first. But yes, some they don't get what you mean. We want them to research, we want them to put information that they find into their essay, but we want it put then into their own words or quoted. This line is from this person. That's essentially what we want. But especially adults coming back to education, where I cannot do handwriting with this stuff, and this is tiny. Coming back to education, they don't get that. And other people, they're swinging that lead as far as they can. Absolutely they are. Swinging lead means they're lying, and they damn well know it. I had one essay where literally, because we don't have like a Turnitin where I work, but very, very easily you copy and paste a paragraph, stick it into Google and see what comes up. There you go. And every single paragraph, my dog getting off the couch. Just a little side note, some people don't like their dogs on the couch. My dog, he's getting old, bless him, so he bought an actual stool so he can get on the couch easier. That is my household. But yeah, every single passage was copy and pasted, and this was somebody, I think she had some sort of other degree or something. She knew. She just wasn't taking the course seriously, I suppose, or hoping she could get one past me that I wouldn't check. One paragraph started with, as I said earlier. No, she hadn't. And I found exactly what websites, and they weren't even good websites. I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. I'm just trying things out, seeing what they look like. But, yeah, they weren't even good websites that she copied and pasted for. And she was like, oh, is the work supposed to be my own then? And I'm not giving that the benefit of the doubt, because she was not stupid. She knew exactly what she was doing. Bless her, she left. But there you go. Plagiarism happens, and it's not always evil, meant, mwahaha kind of thing. Odd that we've got an orange, a yellow, and a red, because we could make, I don't know. I'd rather have a green or a blue in that. Like, why not just give us the primary colours? That is one thing I'm thinking. I mean, you've got a certain colour palette. If you don't like this colour palette, you're done for. But anyway, yeah. Plagiarism, like anything, is not so cut and dry. Well, some things are cut and dry. That's something else entirely. But, yeah, so I feel weird just going, yeah, okay, cancelled, because we don't know. Again, no idea what I'm doing. I'm just flapping it about now. I can't do stuff and talk. Oh, don't double dip. No. I know you shouldn't be putting them straight in the pots, but as I said, I got work in an hour. But yeah, so I have my beliefs. I believe it was slightly copied. But what do I know? That's just my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion, absolutely. Ignore the grossness. But it is still, it's just an opinion. Boop. Let's put that on there. This is a teeny tiny little thing. Oh, well, I say, but okay, we're doing that now. So I'm not sure about this brush. Yeah, so that's my thoughts on it. I have my opinion, but I recognise it as an opinion. We don't know yet. We can see with our own eyes. We can see the evidence that was given to us. And I had actually ordered the Jake Parker book. It was then cancelled. So there's that. Let's try this one. Oh, that was, by the way, the Graphics Aqua ink. Don't tip it, Sam, to read it. And the Liquitex acrylic ink. So that made that mess there. This is the Copic I don't know. This is, let me find it. Where is it? Oh, there you go. It's that one, star favourite, the Copic Gassen Food, is it Foodie? Brush pen. Was created with Sumi Isa, oh, the ink, yes. Oh, artists in mind, oh dear. That's the very long, fine nib, sort of like proper brushwork. Its long, flexible brush tip creates expressive line variations for calligraphy or illustration. So that's good to know. Let's go around this. So, yeah, there you go. I was thinking about what I was going to say in this video while having my shower, and I don't know. I honestly don't know. So I can hear my dog walking around. He'll walk around and then he'll settle on the couch. This is the other dog that has slightly longer legs and doesn't need the stool, but does appreciate that it's there. So yeah, it certainly isn't Artsnacks' fault or problem. Certainly they advertised this months ago and they didn't know any of this stuff, and then they have all these boxes, and I mean, if they go, oh well, we can't do this, then could they be sued if it's proven wrong, or even if it's not proven anything at all? What have I made? And also lots of people who still want to do Inktober, who is still their thing and they're looking forward to it and they wanted the box. I mean, And quite frankly, it's a business. They want to be paid. Of course they do. Come on now. It's not a charity. It's not run... Well, hopefully it's the goodness of their hearts, but ultimately they want to pay themselves. They want to pay their employees. It's business. Just shake that a bit. So, I mean, this is not in any ways... Oh yeah, you've got to do this, haven't you? On Artsnacks, and this is their box using the name Inktober. So there you go. For the money, apparently, this stuff is worth more than what I pay. I think with me getting it sent here, it was like over 100, 120 odd, something like that. Luckily, if it had got caught by customs, that would be another 10, 20 quid on. That covers nicely. Of course, it's a Posca pen. So there's a thing. So it's not necessarily worth it for me, but you are sort of given an idea of different things to use, although I have been given these in boxes before. So it's not like, wow, this is amazing, I'm so glad I got it. It's a, oh, okay, kind of box. That's me. The inks, they're very nice. I've used them before, not to make such a huge, awful mess, but it's a good box. It's not making me go wow. And I mean, this is very nice, and otherwise I'd be like, oh yay, I can keep all my Inktober stuff in this. And this is actually very nice. I like the cover. It is Jake Parker's work. And again, nothing has been proven. We don't want to disparage an innocent person, but we also want to keep in mind that allegations have been made and that matters. Plagiarism matters. You take somebody else's work, obviously he worked very hard on that book. He shows you all his method and talks about it in his video. That's a thing, and it matters, and it's important. But I've gone on enough. I've made a huge mess. I've got to get to work, so that's it. This is nice. This paper is nice. Look, little itsy bitty. You can't even see. Bit of you can just there. Little bit of moisture comes through from my huge mess. But that's that stuff. Cotton paper. Yeah, I like paper. Very nice stuff that you get. I finally got this bobbly thing that I've never got before because I don't get the big box. And if you were going to do it, you've got the list of prompts there. It is a good box. It's a nice box. Wasn't quite worth it for me for the money just because of postage, just because I'm in England. But other than that, I'm leaving it there. You see what you think. I didn't feel comfortable doing anything big. And again, we don't know yet, but keep it in your mind. So just make decisions and go, there you go, that's it, done. Let's just wait and see and be careful. Be willing to forgive when forgiveness is due, but be willing to stand up and be spoken for when that is needed. I think that covers life in general. But yes, I am off to teach people how to hypnotise other people via Zoom. This is going to be fun, people. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to like, that would be awesome. If you'd like to subscribe, that would really honestly make my day. But I will hopefully see you for whatever I end up doing next. Bye.